Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Conversations. Today, we are going to learn how to sign up for a gym membership. This lesson is at the A2 elementary level, which is perfect for beginners who want to practice asking basic questions, making polite requests, and learning fitness-related vocabulary. In this video, we will follow a conversation between a visitor and a gym receptionist. They will discuss membership plans, monthly fees, operating hours, facility access, and class schedules. By listening to this easy dialogue, you will build confidence to speak English in any fitness center or local gym. Let's get started. Hello. Good afternoon. I would like to get some information about signing up for a gym membership, please.
Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome to our fitness center. I would be happy to help you. We have a few different membership plans. Are you looking for a short-term plan or a long-term plan?
I want to join for a long-term plan, probably for 1 year. What options do you have for a yearly membership?
Great. We have two main options for yearly memberships. The first option is our basic membership. It costs $40 per month. It gives you access to all our workout machines and weights.
Okay, $40 per month sounds good. What is the second option?
The second option is our premium membership. It costs $60 per month. With this plan, you get access to all workout machines, weights, the swimming pool, the sauna, and all fitness classes.
Does the basic membership include any fitness classes, or is that only for the premium membership?
The basic membership does not include group classes. If you have the basic plan, you must pay an extra $10 for each class you attend.
I see. Are there any other fees when I sign up today? Is there a registration fee?
Yes, there is a one-time registration fee of $50 for new members. However, we have a special promotion this week. If you sign up today, the registration fee is only $20.
That is a very good deal. Do I need to pay for the whole year today, or can I pay month by month?
You can pay month by month. We will charge your credit card automatically on the first day of every month.
Okay, that is very convenient. I think I prefer the premium membership because I want to use the swimming pool and take classes.
Excellent. The premium membership is our most popular plan. Let me write that down for you.
Before I sign up, I have some questions about the gym hours. What time does the gym open and close?
We are open from Monday to Friday from 6 o'clock in the morning until 10 o'clock at night. On weekends, we are open from 8 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock at night.
Are you open on public holidays?
Yes, we are open on most public holidays, but we have shorter hours. Usually, we open at 8 in the morning and close at 4 in the afternoon on holidays. We always post the holiday hours on our website and on the front door.
That is good to know. I usually like to work out early in the morning before work. Is the gym very busy at 6 in the morning?
It is a little busy between 7 and 9 in the morning, and very busy between 5 and 7 in the evening. 6 in the morning is actually a very quiet time, so you will not have to wait for the machines.
Perfect. That fits my schedule well. What facilities can I access with my premium card? Do you have lockers and showers?
Yes, we have large locker rooms for men and women. They both have free lockers, private showers, hair dryers, and a sauna. You just need to bring your own padlock for the locker, or you can buy one at the reception desk.
Do you provide clean towels, or do I need to bring my own towel?
We provide one small towel for working out and one large towel for the shower every time you visit. You just return them to the laundry bin when you finish.
That is excellent. It means I do not have to carry wet towels in my bag all day.
Yes, our members love that service. It makes going to work after the gym very easy.
You mentioned that the premium membership includes fitness classes. What kind of classes do you offer?
We offer a wide variety of classes, including yoga, Pilates, indoor cycling, and high-intensity workout classes.
Do I need to book the classes in advance, or can I just show up and join?
You need to book the classes in advance using our mobile app. Some classes, like yoga and cycling, are very popular and fill up quickly. You can book a class up to 1 week before it starts.
How can I download the mobile app?
You can scan the QR code on this brochure. Once you sign up, I will send you an email with your username and password to log in.
That sounds very simple. I would like to sign up for the premium membership now.
Wonderful. I just need you to fill out this registration form with your name, address, phone number, and email. I also need to see a photo ID like a driver's license or passport.
Here is my driver's license. I will fill out the form now.
Thank you. While you fill out the form, I will prepare your membership card. We also need to take a quick photo of you for our computer system.
Sure, no problem. Should I look at the camera?
Yes, please. Smile. Perfect. Here is your membership card. You will scan this card at the front gate every time you enter the gym.
Thank you. Can I start working out today?
Yes, your membership is active starting right now. You can use all the facilities today.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your first workout today, and let me know if you have any other questions.
And that is how you sign up for a gym membership in English. Let's quickly review some of the key A2 vocabulary words we use today. Membership plan is the type of contract you choose. Registration fee is the one-time cost to join. Locker room is where you change your clothes and keep your things. Padlock is the lock you use for your locker. And in advance means booking something before the actual time. Learning these words will make your next gym visit simple and stress-free. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to Daily English Conversations for more easy lessons. Stay active and keep practicing your English. See you in the next video.